Hakajnya Trelang berka Meghalaya Basketball Association lapli perda ya Lympung State Youth Basketball Championship jengki kena hapo khat Henrys nam kerta Hamadan Basketball jengka Alpha English High Secondary School nongpo. Ya kani ka Lympung basau sni linter lapan long daga jing temu ban kentiu ya kajing lekai basketball nadu nakirta badang red ban penkre ya ki Samla ban ni khmat ya kajela hagiransan national but international hakis number 1. Ya kani ka Lympung lapli da uba Mirror Bond CM MLA ka nongpo hakakat san tarik naitung ha kajinga dan lang ka kongrona khamdet MDC kino yalam ka Meghalaya Basketball Association ba Joel Marbanyang ba James M Bamon ba Johnny Lee Lamare President ka Bhoi District Basketball Association ba B Marbanyang General Secretary ba pun ngut kilong kemilong pa. Hakini kesni Sdang ka jinga kun beningkong kalalong ka pasong shit ha pedeng ka Bhoi District Basketball Association persya ka St Anthony School Shillong. Mare Sdang baru artri ki kenhun kilaya kun ting ban pen I ya ka sap kai ka ba ikanan. Henry ha ka bakut ka St Anthony School Shillong kala penliam no ya ka Bhoi District Basketball Association da san bukhandai la san Huawei basket.
Habang ipai syaki dinilakai broker bagi kun Samla dengan juk kedungi mentah dipersan dan pentulit ia lebih. Sokolan bagi bahagian keski bahagian State Youth Basketball Championship kun Samla diri dan dibentang broker layawan bahagian kejakan. Balem bagi dirimu naga bentang dan penting kena bagi nilai kai bahasa berkumpul suthong yang berjauh. And I am delighted to hear that this championship has been organized so that the Meghalaya Basketball Association will select the best the team out of all the representatives today here, so that the team who will be represent the state at the National Youth Basketball to be held in days to come. This is a very good initiative that has been conducted. I would like to congratulate the Meghalaya Basketball Association in collaboration with the Bhoi District Basketball Association for conducting this tournament to facilitate, to select the best out of the best among all of you who are present here today, so that we could represent the state to bring joy, glory, laurel to the state. Misufu hagriality kung ginong ilekan, kami kabasuk ko tumpoy ha kani kabanta ko tigal manta. Ngayi yaki bayi ki basam ibade ki player basketball. Kung punroy jongaru udehu bagi lekai basketball ha, you represent the state who validate langring, but ngaji ya kajing kristom ngejung nado urang di school. Kumno ba open kena ya lagi, naga benda pun praktis magasi, ban kristom ban penlejimut, naga benda pun lah ban lekai ha, you represent ya kajela lalu present hari bentar koper bangam aratin banong bana preng lumpi agar skill undang hidup izin mut izin berkat naga bentar bergerak dan benar kurang yeladi ya gaying desen ya ke Shillong ya ke district ya ke team bagi to represent. Looking at the team which says rise, compete and inspire. It reminds me of the words of the famous philosopher of our country, Swami Vivekananda, where he said, arise, awake, and do not stop until you achieve your goal. The same thing will apply to you, dear athletes, players who are here today. You should rise, you should be awake, you should work hard. Then only you will reach to your goal. There is no easy way in this world. There is no complacency. Only hard work, dedication, determination will take you to your goal. We must pledge ourselves to dedicate ourselves to ensure that the team that we represent should win. We are in the World Cup fever these days. Last night, though the supporter of France, which has lost to Spain 2-0, a heartbreaking moment for them, even though they have played very well. The same thing to each and every one of you also. The dream and aspiration that you brought together from your hometown, from your home district, to reach to this place, to ensure that you must reach, you must be the champion. So determination, vision, dedication has to be always there with you. I hope that this tournament that has been conducted.
Hey, 9 seconds.